Cleo, what are you doing?
Opening presents. Where's my shit from me? Where are my new treasures? Can I need new treasures? Such an asshole.
Oh, she's so bad, isn't she, Mia?
Look at her. She's like...
Oh, that's hers. It's her present.
That's the one she's trying to get.
My God.
That's the one she's trying to get. She keeps trying to get. I told you, that's the one she's trying to get.
That's not yours.
It is. It says Cleo right now.
Our tree's going down. Oh my God.
Cleo!
Hey.
Cleo, cut the shit.
You're swearing all over this video.
Oh, you're taping this?
Yeah.
What the hell's wrong with you?
It's funny. She's kicking herself in the head.
Don't tape her doing that.
Yeah, it's funny. I can't wait to send this to Tara.